Hello, and welcome to this Boris software training video. In this set of videos, we're going to look at the various asset management options included with your Boris product. When I refer to asset management, I'm talking about the tools available inside the Boris system to help you track and manage your generic assets. For this demonstration, I'm logged into our internal backend system, which we use for training purposes. Under the documentation section, you'll see a number of asset management features. This video and the next few videos will walk through each of these in detail. We'll begin with the asset list, which is the core area of generic asset management. When we open the asset list, you'll notice that we can work with assets both from the portal and from the mobile app. On screen here, you'll see my mobile device for demonstration purposes. The asset list allows you to manage any type of generic asset: laptops, printers, hardware, tools, forms, or anything else you store or track. You also have a manufacturer's list, which you can build out manually or populate by importing a spreadsheet. At the moment, you'll see I only have Dell and Lenovo in the list. If I want to add another manufacturer, I can simply add it in here. So let's add Windows as a new manufacturer, and it will appear in the list immediately. You've also got the creation report, where you can see a few examples from our QA team. We'll complete one on the app shortly, so you can see how it automatically generates an asset in the system. Next is the acceptance report. This is used whenever an asset changes hands. For example, when you hand a laptop back to head office or receive one from head office. It's simply the document you complete on the app to record that transfer. First, we'll create an asset using the portal. Select Add Item. Here you have all the standard asset fields. These fields match what you'll see in the mobile app as well. For this example, we'll add a printer, manufacturer. Let's say Dell for now. Serial number, status, maintenance, since it's currently being repaired, purchase date, beginning of September, last PAT, test date, 1st of August, next PAT test due, let's say August 2026. Comments, main printer for office, located on the ground floor, stock number 101. The item acceptance section is optional. This can also be completed later using the app. For now, we'll leave it blank and click Save. The asset is now added to the list, allowing you to easily track and manage it from the portal. Next, we'll create an asset using the Boris app, which is ideal when you're on site. On the app, press Receive Updates to sync with the portal. Then go to Asset Management, then press Creation. The options here mirror the portal. We'll create an asset for my laptop. Customer, ABC Construction. Location, Location 2. I'm gonna press the New Form button. Item type, select. Create new option here. I'm gonna call it Laptop. Manufacturer, Lenovo. Serial number, S111. Purchase date, last service date, next service. Enter your relevant dates. Photograph. Take a clear picture of the laptop, ensuring the badge is visible. If you need to delete photos, you can just tap them and delete them. Once you save the form, the app sends the asset directly to the portal. Now, let's complete an acceptance report, which is used when an asset changes hands. For example, when a repaired item is returned to site. I'm going back to the home page. Press Receive Updates. Go to Asset Management, press Acceptance button. ABC Construction, Location, choose Head Office, New Form. The app automatically pulls the asset information. Choose the printer. The serial number will autofill. Time of acceptance. Just click on the time icon. Take a photograph. For training purposes, I'm photographing my laptop again. Add a job number. Head Office 111. Change the status from maintenance to on-site. Add the signatures for the operative and recipient. Name of the person, printer repair rep. Save the form. This updates the asset record and sends the information back to the portal. Returning to the portal, I'm just going to reload the page. You'll see. The laptop now appears in the asset list, and all the details here, and you can view its history, including the asset creation report. We've also got the acceptance report, and that will appear here as well. Assets page. The printer we added earlier is now fully populated instead of blank. Finally, the asset overview page. When you open an asset, you're taken to the asset overview area. Here, the system automatically displays the creation and acceptance history, including any photographs captured through the app. You can also add additional information, such as maintenance or calibration details, and update the main asset details if needed, though we won't change anything here. Attachments can be added as well. For example, if you have a PDF warranty for this laptop, you can upload it directly by selecting Add Attachment and choosing the file from your computer. This could also be a user manual or any supporting documentation. Next, we'll click into the printer so you can see how a portal-created asset looks. For training purposes, it shows a placeholder photo, but in a real scenario, this would be the actual printer image. Because it wasn't created through the app, there's no creation history, but you still get complete acceptance history and the same editable fields for reviewing or updating asset details. And that's a quick overview of the asset management section within your Boris system. Thank you for watching this Boris training video.